In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect domain to another domain in Hostinger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Begin by signing in to your Hostinger account to reach the dashboard. Use the email and password associated with your account and make sure you're on the main hPanel dashboard. This is where you'll manage domains, DNS, settings, and ownership options. If you manage multiple accounts, confirm you're in the one that currently holds the domain you want to redirect. Once you're on the dashboard, open the domain section. This area lists all the domains under your account and gives you quick access to each domain's settings. Take a moment to locate the specific domain you want to redirect so you don't accidentally change the wrong one. From the domains area, go into your domain portfolio to see a full overview of available domains. The portfolio view makes it easier to compare domains and select the one you'll be working with. When you find it, open the domain's management options. Click Manage on the domain you've selected. The Manage screen shows the domain overview, DNS records, and other controls. This is where you'll find domain ownership and other important settings. Before making changes, double-check any current DNS records you might need later, and consider noting them down or taking a screenshot just in case. Navigate to Domain Ownership inside the Domain Management interface. Domain ownership is where Hostinger handles transfers, moves, and settings that affect who controls the domain. Here you'll see options related to transfers or moving the domain to another Hostinger account if that's part of your redirect plan. Finally, choose Move to another Hostinger account. Follow the prompts to enter the destination account details as required by Hostinger. This process hands control of the domain to the other account and is useful if the redirect will be managed from a different Hostinger profile. Keep in mind that DNS and redirection changes may take some time to propagate fully across the internet. The redirect might not work instantaneously. Allow up to 24 to 48 hours for global propagation, and meanwhile clear your browser cache or check the redirect from a different network. If the redirect still doesn't appear after propagation, review the domain's DNS records and ownership settings to ensure everything was applied correctly. That's it. Logging in, opening domains, accessing the portfolio, managing the domain, accessing domain ownership, and moving the domain to another account. Follow those steps carefully and you'll have the redirect set up smoothly.